Now let us see how does the iron box works and its working principle in depth. So let's get into the video. Let's go. Today we will see how does the iron box works and its principle. Let's go. Basically iron box works with the electricity positive and negative joints. The iron will be heated. That is the basic principle. Let's go inside in depth with the parts. Let's go. Initially remove this. And then remove this second nut. Then remove the two bolts. And then remove the top cover. Then remove all this nut. See? Then the third nut I have been removed, and then you can remove the top cover slowly because the wire will be cut off, and then remove these three nuts. Let's go and remove. Then second one, and then with the third one. Slowly I have removed with the fifth one nut, and then with the sixth nut. Then we have to remove this connected wires. This is connect. With the seventh nut, and then with the eighth nut. Seventh nut I have removed, and then with the eighth nut, and then remove over here with this positive, negative, and the neutral. Then we can remove this three nuts. See, slowly. This is a positive wire which is red, and then neutral wire which is green, and then with the black wire which is negative. So I will remove. Then I have removed with the positive, negative, and the neutral wires. See, and then we can remove the nuts. Be safe while removing because it will damage the chromium plate at the side. Then slowly remove this. See, slowly, very slow, because if the base plate is damaged, you can't even imagine to work again. So see, this is the regulator which is connected with the thermostat here. See, thermostat which regulates the temperature, and then this is the coil over which the positive and the negative term will be passed, so the heat is generated, and then we will be, so the heat is generated, so ironing here, the heating will be done here, so we'll be making ironing here. Thermostat, the normal procedure is positive, negative, and then neutral wire. It will be supplying current through the thermostat which regulates the temperature by, we will be making now silk, cotton, and then other things So while rotating, the temperature will be based on the clock, and then the heating will be generated based on the thermostat temperature setup. So the heating will be done at the base plate. So we are ironing. That's it. We will close with the iron box. Let's go. Slowly fit over the plate. See, now I have been placed with these 3 nets, and then we will be going with net. Now I am replacing the wires as first positive, neutral, and then with negative one. Now we are finished with the wiring. See, then we will go with the external items, the top, bottom, on the top and the bottom close. Then we have been done with the nets, and then we will go with the outer cover. As we have mentioned, when we are passing the electricity, then we will be setting the thermostat temperature with the help of thermostat, and the light will be glowing whether the electricity is passing or not. Then the electricity will be passed through. I have shown now the heating element will be heated, so the heat will be supplied here. Then we will be get heating, and then we can iron the clothes. That's it. I will switch on, we will see now it's working. That's it. Thank you friends. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.